everyone, and welcome to this week's episode of Kids Lab. My name's Adam, and I recently played Henry in Bric-a-Brac Theatre's production Mustard Doesn't Go With Girls. Now, my character Henry loves to bake, so today I'm going to show you how to make one of his favourite snacks, cheese puffs. These are delicious as a snack, they're great in lunchboxes, but they're even better served for lunch with lots of lovely green salad. Now, when I snap my fingers, all of the ingredients are going to appear on the screen, so just pause the video, get everything you need, and let's get started. For this recipe, you will need 2 cups of cheese, I used Red Leicester, 1 cup of self-raising flour, half a cup of milk, 1 egg beaten, and 1 small diced red onion. Make sure to get some help from a grown-up when grating the cheese and chopping the onion. You'll also need a large mixing bowl, a spatula, a fork, a pair of tongs, a spoon, 1 mixing jug, and a baking tray lined with baking parchment. First, preheat your oven to 200 degrees on the fan setting. Next, add your half a cup of milk into your jug with your beaten egg, and then whisk with a fork until combined. Then, pour your egg and milk mixture into your large bowl. And add your cup of self-raising flour into the mixture. Then, with your spatula, mix together the flour and the milk until a dough starts to form. Once all of your flour and milk is combined, making sure you get all the flour off the sides of the bowl, add your 2 cups of grated cheese into the mixture. And then add your diced red onion and start mixing everything together until everything is completely combined. Once everything is completely combined, take your spoon and start spooning the mixture onto your lined baking tray. Make sure to leave some space between each dollop of the mixture so it has room to expand in the oven. And now we're ready to put our cheese puffs in the oven. Place them on the middle shelf and let them cook for around 15 to 20 minutes, checking them every now and then. When your cheese puffs are done, they'll look golden brown and delicious. Now with your pair of tongs, place your cheese puffs onto a wire rack to cool. And there you are guys, leave these to cool for around 5 minutes and then tuck into them while they're still warm. Or if you're going to serve them in a lunchbox, let them cool completely and you can have them for lunch the next day. Thanks guys! Thanks for tuning in to this episode of Kids Lab. For more great videos, be sure to subscribe and visit bricabractheatre.com and show us your creations with #KidsLab.